Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to restore your MetaMask account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open MetaMask application from your app drawer. You will then be prompted to enter your password in the text box. If you ever forget your password for a MetaMask wallet, or if you've lost your device and you're trying to get to MetaMask wallet on a new device, then simply tap on Reset Wallet at the bottom. Make sure that you've backed up your secret recovery phrase before, since backing up your MetaMask recovery phrases is crucial whenever you are trying to restore your wallet. Tap on I understand continue button in the pop-up and type in delete in the text box. Remember that you should only follow these deletion instructions if you have backed up your wallet before. If you don't have a backup yet, you will be losing your wallet and all of its funds forever. After you type in delete, tap on delete my wallet, and once you get to this main homepage, tap on the import using secret recovery phrase option. Now, you can enter your wallet you are trying to restore or import. Simply enter your secret recovery phrases that you've previously backed up for your wallet. Make sure to type it in the correct order. Once you are done typing in the secret recovery phrases in the correct order, go ahead and type in a new password for your wallet in the next field. Confirm and re-enter the password once again in the next field and tap on import at the bottom. And soon after you do that, you will be able to restore your wallet. That is how you can easily restore your MetaMask account even if you've forgotten your password or even if you've lost your device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.